Hi guys, this particular podcast we are just releasing, and here you will learn how you can deploy your Spring Boot microservices in AWS environment. So there are multiple ways you can deploy your Spring Boot microservices in AWS, right? You can use AWS.Stack, which will automatically create this environment, and you can just is it a image or it is a Java-based application. Based on that, you can select and you can deploy it using Java, AWS, Beanstalk. Else, you can set up an EC2 instance, and then on the EC2 instance, you can just deploy it. Third point is you can deploy through a ECS service. You can just create a ECS service through ECS service, right? Elastic Container Service. You can deploy it, but make sure that you have already created an image, and then you have that image with you for your microservice. Then fourth thing is that you can use a Elastic Kubernetes service. So using the Kubernetes also, and if you have the image with you, and maybe this image is with the Docker Hub or ECR, and then you can deploy onto a Elastic Kubernetes service. So these are the actually where you can deploy it. But apart from that, you can use a pipeline. So maybe AWS code pipeline. Maybe you can set up the pipeline which will take up the code, build, and deploy. Then maybe you can set up a Jenkins. So from the Jenkins also you can directly deploy on AWS like that. Or maybe you can also use some other CI/CD tools through which also you can deploy on AWS. But if you wanted to directly deploy without any, you can say pipeline. So these are the ways which we have already discussed. These are the ways which you can use it for deployment purpose. So I hope it makes sense. So you can also subscribe our YouTube channel as Ashish Academy, right? If you like the content and if you need some much more free content as well. So links you can find out into in this YouTube video, or maybe you can also find out into a comment section.